Alright, today's the day. So I just did the whole trip to get to Zurich from Ticino, Lugano, and well, I'm in front of the Tesla delivery center in Switzerland, and we're gonna go and check out how the delivery process goes. I'm a little bit early, like 20 minutes, and I will see if they accept me at this time or if I have to wait. Stay tuned. And there we have it. I still have to go through the whole checklist. Which I am going to do right now. But in order to do that, I'm gonna have to put down my phone and open the list. And I believe it's in German right now, so I'm gonna have to change that. Nice. Alright. Catch up with you very soon, guys. Alright, so I'm in the car and everything looks fine. There was a little bit of a gap on the rear right panel, but it was like it was actually normal. The lady just came over here and she fixed it real quick with a turn of a knob. The interior is fine. I checked all the trims, everything around, and it looked fine. I didn't test the USB ports, but I mean, if those don't work, I'll get them fixed. They're definitely not gonna fix them over here. Yeah, I might actually have to get the cable though, because the car trip might be a little bit long. Yeah, I still haven't driven it, so I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see if I can flip around. So there's an interesting thing in the settings, and if you try and change the language, so I put it in English, the voice navigation language is in British English, and if I want to change that, oh, where is it gone? Oh, if I change that, it doesn't give me the option to use American English, which is kind of weird. But I'll take English over Italian. Otherwise, everything else is fine. Let's see the software. I think there was something regarding an update displayed on my mobile app, but we'll see later when we yeah, there you go, software update. We'll probably run that later when I'm at home. And the rest of the things are probably fine. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, give it a try, and hopefully everything works fine. Oh yeah, and in Switzerland they already install the highway sticker, which is $40, so that's good.